Good day, ma'am. This is Emay Visto, and now I'm going to report the chapter 14, which is the automated management approach. So, here are the content or the subtopic that I'm going to discuss, which is first the computer, the complete form management with a computer system, the ADMS or the Advanced Data Management System, the accounting with the computer and the inventory control. So the account receivable, the payable, the account payable, then general ledger. So the computer. So the demand for computer graduate would increase dramatically in the ensuing years as more countries join the competition for higher technologies. 100 Filipinos are expected to be placed in the quota of 300 Asians for enrollment in 22 university and colleges in the United States and Europe. This goal term 1982 to 1983. So over 45,000 interested students in 87 nations would enroll over the years. So coping with changing business demands. So as the owner of management of a business, you're faced with today's sophisticated business technique and an equally sophisticated public. Most likely, you're searching for a way to cope with slowly changing demand and an predictable economy. So, what you need is a cost-effective solution to your business concern, controlling your operation and your cost in the bottom line to your continued success. So, the computer understands your needs. So, a quarter of a country of sustained profit is something any computer knows. So, I know firsthand what growth is all about. The computer system captured and processed information, increased production by freeing individual from routine, repetitive tasks and improve profitability. All over product are easy to learn, expeditable, versatile, and competitive price. The computer that fits your business. So the computers are used to cut down on records keeping and accounting chores. So quickly handle the important business transactions such as order processing, inventory control, job costing, and dispatching. Easily perform complex statistical, scientific calculation, or use the information that the computer provides for crucial make or buy decision and sales forecasting. So, improve your customer service. So the new computer system will be able to provide your customer with a fast turnaround or the request. Order can be processed as soon as they come in using inventory and pricing information that is instantly available for the computer system. Scan your inventory for a particular using the computer. You can determine if a reorder level has been reached. So, improve cash flow. So, accounts receivable will come in faster, helping you improve customer service and maintain your competitive edge. So, your invoices can be printed directly from the computer. So you can have them in the mail at the same time as they are received. So, increase productivity. A computer availability to use the same information for many purposes can improve accuracy and increase productivity in your business. So, customer files stores on the computer can serve as mailing lists or be used in routine accounting functions such as payroll. Once the information is entered, you can use it repeated with complete accuracy. So the computers keeps pace with your growth. So yours and the computer's growth deserve careful consideration as your sales rise, as your product lines change. You'll need a computer that can handle your increased demand, build in expandability lest you begin growing requirements. So you can expand your own system to a large one by transferring your program to other system without time consuming and costly revision. Your initial investment only remains protected. So the approachable computers. So, easy to use computer mean you don't have to study complex manual to or undergo extensive training or the drudgery of filling piles or paperwork is virtually eliminated while control of important information is retained at your fingertips. The type's high-speed printer automatically produce typewriter quality document features include sophi- uh, sophisticated character and the graphic display features and the ability to duplicate your present business from the forms duplicate your present business form of the terminal screen. So let's move on to the second topic, which is the complete form management within a computer system. So forms are designed to simplify and speed up communication. Once designed, forms must be printed, inventories and data stored, distributed and updated. The relay big business is in filling out in the processing form and managing and controlling total information flow. The human mind is constantly trying to keep up with new technologies. The high cost of filling and processing form. Anyone who managed to automate any or all aspect of the tremendous amount of duplication will realize enormous saving in time and money. Even though any one transaction generates many different forms, which all serve different purpose. The forms contain essential, the same basic information of the transaction being processed. So the computer aided forms processing with a computer system. So computers aided form processing has often yielded the most effective economies in time and money and contribute to great improved management control. Any computer system equipped with the proper software in being used to automate any one or all aspect of form processing. So the small computer system had been used successfully in many different applications. So make a computer system your form designer. So computer aided forms generation with a computer system allows you to create any form in its text, length of text, and its actual location of the form. So make your computer system your forms auditors. So every company needs to maintain a control system for all forms, whether in use or obsolete. A computer-aided forms control system allows you to store all forms in a forms file. It also safeguards against interference with the existing form of the authorized creation of new ones. So, computers can enter a set of data and generate many different forms. So many with computer aided from a form filling your personal inputs information pertaining to a transaction into a system. The system stores this information and on demand prints in it in on any format and on any medium you use. So in the In the case of an auto sale, for instance, the operation inputs 40 items of information all pertaining to the all into the one sale. So helping. All right, let's move on to the next topic, which is the ADMS, or the Advanced Data Management System. So helping you manage change. So with each new application, your database gets larger and redundancy increasing. Data files and program undergo seemingly constant change, and the effects ripple throughout your data processing operation. System security and data accuracy are constantly threatened, and system recovery and restart are severely hampered. So, advanced capacity is standard with every computer. So, Computer Advanced Data Management System, or the ADMS, makes it possible for you to effectively and efficiently organize and control your data files. ADMS provide system protection in the event of hardware or software failures, includes centralized data definition and that reduce program maintenance. So automatic coordination of multiple updates to shared data files and full the file recovery and program restart facilities. How ADMS work? So ADMS provides a special data definition processors to create, uh, edit, validate, and modify data definition independently of application program. A view defines the records and the fields within each record that an application program can access. The storage schema defines where the files are stored and the format in which they are stored. Lower development and support costs. So program maintenance costs will be dramatically reduced since changes to data description need only be made once. Without the need to recompile all program, data description are created independently of the program using the data. This means simplified program logic and increased programmer productivity. Unlike other data management system, ADMS is supplied with a computer operating system, and all functions are carried out at the operating system level. So, more effective data management. So, effective data management depends on having control over data definition and files, which ADMS offers to adapt to your changing needs. So, you have the freedom to define new views and record access path. Additionally, your data definition are automatically checked for internal consistency. So, better system security. So, access to ADMS data files is um, only possible through defined views or the database. So the authority and the ability to create views and access data definition files can be given to a specific users. Management, however, can limit the user access privilege, like read and modify, or read modify and delete. So increase data increase data integrity. So to preserve the integrity of the database during concurrent operation by multiple users, ADMS incorporates a number of advanced data sharing features. So, like dynamic lockout of users from files and or record during updates. So, or deadlock prevention, reg check validation of data written to files, and grouping of the related updates into transaction to maintain consistency between related data files. So, more efficient recovery and restore. So ADMS also incorporates a comprehensive backup capability fully integrated with the recovery facility to protect data in the event of failure. So the system logs into a audit trails the records image associated with each update in the transaction for full auditing of or after update image for partial auditing. EDMS regularly generates a backup report that you will find extremely useful in managing the system. So easy to use, hard to do without. So ADMS is a sophisticated and extremely easy to use data management tool. Programmers use standard key COBOL or the COBOL verbs to incorporate ADMS into application. The system supplies an up to date listed all the view of all views and associated program. The data definition processors in menu driven and completely self-profiting. So here are the HRMS versus US computer, the powerhouse combination for human resources management. So the human resources management system or the HRMS on any proper computer gives executives and complete system for payroll accounting and benefits management. HRMS combines with the latest in computer technology to provide the dynamic control of information needed in the growing human resource management environment. With HRMS emphasis can be placed on the human aspect of working while vastly reducing tedious paper. So HRMS is an interactive software system that gives immediate access to all data about your company's most valuable resources. So, with one system, you can now easily meet all government reporting requirements and handle complex pair processing, including earned income credit. So, arranged in the three software packages. So, HRMS system can be implemented individual or together for the complete human resources management solution. All information on applicant and current and retired employees kept in an integrated system, allowing operators for update and individuals record with one easy procedure. So the computer in human engineered for ease of use of interrupted growth. You can easily expand your computer system with a no change in your application software. The computer system requires so little staff training that you can be up and running in record time. So once your system is established, staff have little trouble adapting to use it. Furthermore, when your needs change, you can easily increase your computing capability. And for even more power, add words processing to your computer to create a full synthesized integrated information system or the IIS. So the integrated information system combines data processing and words processing on a single computer system. Traditional files are eliminated because correspondence and other paperwork is kept on desk. This saves filing time, frees up office space from unnecessary file cabinets, and keeps all records on one system. The IIS, or um, the Integrated Information System, incorporates telecommunication for a total integrated system that meets all data and office information needs. So payroll, customs, assembled payroll system. So in 1965, Wang Laborers was the first US company to introduce a general payroll system. It allowed for the earning categories and 15 deduction, and all of the program had to fit into a 32K. So, course size. As it expanded and computer technology developed, Wang introduced HRMS Pairer. It is the most sophisticated system offered today, and it is available on Wang VS computers. So through the use of program called the generator, Wang has custom assembled the payroll system. This allows you to describe the various parameters you require in your payroll system, such as earnings, deduction, control levels, special accumulators, provision for incorporation of a personal system. Computer Spare provides interactive data entry, whereby edits are followed by immediate validation. Those when actual processing takes place against the employee file, it is done virtually error-free. So here are the features. So some other design features of each RMS pair include total user control. Payroll is designed so you can make changes in the system without having to interfere with your data processing group. So the second is the report writer. So your staff can quickly generate standard and add a hook report with a few easy strokes. So then system security. A multi-level system protects your data from unauthorized operation and control the level of access for each user right down to individual data element. So, and the automatic change generator. So system allows you to set parameter with the change a typically date or coordinates sensitive with well trigger a corresponding update. By eliminating additional paper files, the system saves stop time and reduce human error. For example, if your stop indicate that a deduction are to begin 30 days after employee employment, they indicate those parameter of the changes occurs automatically. So then add conditional mass changes. Conditional must change. So group employees changes can be made by the single transaction. So the users may set conditional tests on a mass change to limit the processing to only those employees who meet the conditional test. So and let's move on to the next topic, which is the accounting with the computer entry and inventory control. So, improves customer service, reduce lost sales, balance inventory investment, improves cash flow, and increase accuracy. So, a computer that address the important areas of order increase and inventory control to provide a system geared to the expand requirements of your business. The interactive system means that all orders can be entered as they are received, reduce double posting and human error. A single entry triggers an entire sequence of automatic entries. and calculators linking over processing, inventory control, billing requirements, inquiries, sales analysis, and management report. So, order processing. Customers' names and credit status are entered into a computer system that generates picking tickets, updates inventory credits. Um, the proper salesperson produce an invoice and log back orders when necessary. All automatic function may be overridden by the operators, delivering individuals control whenever requires. Order processing begins with interactive verification of customers number and display customers names and credit status. So the inventory control. So with a single order entry, all affected inventory items are automatically updated. Typically, inventory file information includes part numbers, description, product category, unit cost, three selling prices, taxable status, reorder levels, and picking sequences. Adjustment cancellations or order changes also update the entire system for the greatest possible accuracy. So the billing. So billing can be performed automatically on selected account or individually according to your requirements. The system allows you to override prices, assign discount percentages, or odd shipping charge, commission amount, and miscellaneous charge for complete billing control. So here are the sales analysis. The computer lets you review your entire inventory by product line and like an item to evaluate sales and profitability. So here are the report. The computer provides a variety of crucial inventory including the inventory receiving report, picking tickets, invoices, price list, back orders by item and customers, inventory stock status, purchasing advice report, and invoice edit list or the sales analysis by product and product line, in the ship to address report and the commission due. And then let's move on to the next topic, which is the account receivable. So, speeds collection, tightens cash control, identify sales and profit trends, or the minimize credit risk exposure, and improves customer communication. So, accounts receivable is the lifeblood of any business, and the computer accounting system is designed to keep it flowing smoothly. With the computer, you design the receivables system you require for proven accounting building blocks. So, including interactive data entry, automatic aging and finance charges, customer account inquiries, statement, and a wide variety of detailed report. A tighten cash controlled and display sales and profit trends on a systematic basis. So, here are the interactive data entries. So, customers are validated as soon as data in input is input on the computer since it is fully interactive, not hours or day later, or in the case of a batch-oriented system, because modification and correction are done right away. Your records will always be accurate and timely. So, aging receivables. Knowing the age of your receivables is the first step towards improved collection. Your daily sales outstanding or DSO can be reduced with reporting such as the age, trial balance, and age total provides a provident on statement. The system allows you to determine the number of days in each age category. So, finance changes. So, these features can have a surprising effect on increased income because it can speed up collection while imposing financial changes on the client you want. So the value automatically calculated by the computer may be updated right before the calculations. So account inquiry. So the computer permits you to call any number when minimizing your credit risk exposure. You can improve communication with your customers by recording in voicemails and phone numbers. So, reports. The computer account receivable system produce a variety of meaningful timely report upon demand, including alphabetical customer list, uh, alphabetical customer list, customer file, open item list, uh, age trial balance, statement remittance, sales journal, cash receipt journal, cash summary, period cash summary, finance chain charges journal, salesman file, commission due reports, sales summary, sales analysis by customer, customer type, salesman province. And let's move on to the next topic, which is the payroll. Then relieves last minute payroll pressure, reduce clerical dependency, then simplifies task report, protecting confidential information, and analyze labor cost. A payroll system should allow you to access the payroll information whenever you need it. The computer is distinguished from another business computer system by the interactively the puts you in control. This control includes a security system that ensures against unauthorized access to confidential payroll information. So, calculation. The system supports multiple rates of pay for automatically calculating earning. So hourly salaried payrolls may be processed together or separately. The system stored earning for straight time, overtime, special pay holiday, and sick pay for review at any time. Deductions are equally easy in additional to automatically calculating deduction for saving bonds, loans, and garnishment. So, interactive data entry. Whenever any payroll information is entered into the system, an employee's number is verified. So, and his or her name is automatically displayed on the CRT screen. This allows the computer this allows the operators to double check each entries because he has entered any information. This means that errors are reduced and the time spent verifying old style batch information is eliminated. So, automatic check printing. So the computer you choose to run your pair and all reports will be cleared, easy to read, and in the exact format you desire. Because your computer is configured according to your exact requirements, you have the choice of a variety of quality printers that eliminates most of the time consuming checks, reversals, and adjustment common to other systems and allow you to make last minute modification. So report the pairer and related report produced may be computer include pairer time edit list, pairer attendance register, pairer checks, payroll check register, saving bond register, deduction register, annual government form, employee file list, then alphabetical employee list, manual payroll transaction report, overtime and sick report, payroll history, then reduction and earning code list, and the quarterly task reports. So let's move on to the next topic, which is the account payable. So controls disbursement, forecast cash requirements, improve communication with vendors, aid a negotiation with vendors, then ensures appropriate discount. So select only the elements of system and portion of the reports you require to manage payables in the way that's best for you. So from cash analysis, the computers gives you the accurate up to the minute payable information you need for informed management decision. The computer delivers a system that lets you determine how your accounts payable should be handled. So, data entry. In order to reduce errors and save time, the computer instantly validates vendors when information is entered. Payables details such as voucher and invoice numbers, amount, discounts, and due dates are saved for future reports and could be automatically linked to the general ledger. So once a one-line inquiry, you can review the status of any account at any time on the computer, and any invoice sequence of the invoices or even monthly activities may be reviewed at the touch of the view button. This extremely sophisticated features can prove invaluable when managing cash disbursement, or reviewing a vendor's status. Okay, and invoice payment. So the computer will automatically pay all but deferred invoices according to their due date, will automatically cost calculations. And only those you specifically select. To assist in your payment decision, the system provides cash requirement report detailing how much money your company will require for any given period. So, account payable distribution reporting. And a system allows you the distributed payable to an eliminated number of general ledger account and job numbers. Since the system also automatically validates distribution account numbers at the time of entry. So valid posting are ensured. You can also allocate distribution on a percentage basis. So for selected vendors, thereby reducing posting time and improving accuracy. Check reconciliation. The computer reconciliation provides automatic reconciliation of process check and easily accommodates either prepared or voided checks. So the major reports produced by the computer account payable system include vendor vendor list, account payable voucher register, AP open item aging report by vendor, cash requirement summary by account, AP period summary, then vendor analyst report, then AP job file list, then AP job description report, alphabetical vendor list, AP transaction register, then AP age trial balance, then aging summary by account, cash requirement report, then pre-check writing report, and AP check voucher, and register. And the last is the AP General Ledger account distribution list. Then the last let's move on to the last topic, which is the general ledger. Then increases management control, monitor budget performance, then identifies fiscal responsibilities, triggers timely financial action, then supports sound financial planning. So, a company general ledger is their bottom line for all important financial decision, and for this a very important reason. It must be as a individual as the company. It represents us with all computer accounting function. Flexibility is an integral part of the computer general ledger. This flexibility is reflected in the system's chart of account. Data entry, online inquiry, master file posting, and a wide variety of available reports. The chart of account. So with the computer, you define your own chart of account according to your requirements, including account number, description, budgets, and account the balances for up to 26 accounting period. The account numbers allows you to designate your own profit centers for responsibility reporting. So data entry. Account updates can be performed by allocation or actual process automatically through the computers. In account receivable, account payable, and payroll, direct general ledger transaction entries are posted through one of the systems. Video display terminals when transactions are entered using either method or reference. Description can be added to provide a complete audit trail. So, online inquiry. Interactive, you don't have to wait for a report to review information you require. Just a few keystrokes at once of the time. TV types terminal brings you the accurate answer you need when you need them. So accounting posting. So whether direct or automatic posting, all new transaction must be in balance in order to be posted to the general ledger or YTD file for subsequent reporting. This helps to ensure that all subsequent financial reports reflect accurate and timely information. Report. The computer can deliver virtually only general ledger report you require, most of which can be selected for any time period, as well as selected report of profit centers such as the major report including the chart account list, trial balance detail and summary, profit and loss statement, the supporting schedules, statement of cash flow, changing in components of working capital, supporting notes, a journal, general ledger source cross reference, supporting schedules, balance sheet, changes in financial position, and transmittal. For this chapter, which is the chapter 14, automated management approach. And before I end this chapter, let me say this quote from Vivek Vodka. Okay, to achieving success is to assemble a strong and stable management team. And that's all for today. Thank you and God bless. Bye.